How soon should I apply for my appointment? Apply early. Once you received your I-20. Although the majority of applications are processed and ready to pick up within a few business days, some applications will require administrative processing. VFs cannot predict in advance which applications will require administrative processing, nor do they know how long it will take. Please apply at least 6 to 8 weeks before you plan to travel, and do not book plane tickets or hotels until you
How
have a
long does
visa.
my passport have to be valid in order to apply for a US visa? Student must possess a passport valid for travel to the United States with a validity date at least 6 months beyond your intended period of stay in the United States.
What information do I need to provide about social media while filling out the DS-160 form? On May 31, 2019, the Department of State updated its immigrant and non-immigrant visa application forms to request additional information, including social media identifiers, from most US visa applicants worldwide like Facebook, Instagram etc.
I want to book my travel as far in advance as possible. When should I book my travel tickets? Applicants are strongly advised not to book their travel until after they receive their passport and new visa. The best way to avoid the unpleasant circumstance of having bought an airplane ticket only to find out that the visa was refused, or that you will need to go through the costly process of changing your tickets to another travel date, is to wait until after your visa arrives.
Why does my visa say FNU? If you have only one name, or if your name appears in only one line in your passport, then on the visa your full name will only be printed in the surname field and first name unknown, or FNU, will be printed in the given name field.
My visa was printed incorrectly. What do I do? If you think your visa was printed incorrectly, please email support-india@austraveldocs.com and explain why you think there is an error. If necessary, VFS will provide instructions on how to submit your passport.
What is administrative processing? Some visa applications require further administrative processing, which takes additional time after your interview with the consular officer. You are advised of this possibility when they apply. Most administrative processing is resolved within 180 days of the visa interview. Please check in the Consular Affairs website provided in the description that has more information about administrative process.
How can I extend my visa? The validity of a visa cannot be extended regardless of its type. You will need to apply for a new visa. What is the SEVIS system and how does it affect me? The Student and Exchange Visitor Information System (SEVIS) program requires schools and exchange programs to verify the enrollment status of all new and continuing foreign students and exchange visitors. Student visa applicants are required to pay a SEVIS fee before a visa can be issued. SEVIS fee should pay at least 1 day before a fingerprints appointment. Can an F1 student work in the United States? Full-time students on F visas may seek on-campus employment not to exceed 20 hours per week. After the first year in student status, an applicant may apply for employment off campus with authorization from USCIS. Please contact your student advisor for further information.
What if I receive an I-20 to a different school? If you received an I-20 after scheduling your appointment, then you can inform the US consular officer of the new I-20 at the time of the interview.
Can a person on a visitor visa change her status to student while in the United States if she gains admission to a school and gets a Form I-20? Yes. In general, you may apply to change your non-immigrant visa status if you were lawfully admitted to the United States with a non-immigrant visa, if your non-immigrant status remains valid, if you have not violated the conditions of your status, and you have not committed any actions that would make you ineligible. For more details, please visit the USCIS website.
I received my visa. When should I travel? You may only enter the United States within 30 days of the beginning of the course of study stated on your I-20, regardless of when your visa was issued. How early should I apply for my student visa? You are encouraged to apply for your non-immigrant student visa as soon as you have your I-20. To ensure you get an early and timely date, you may apply at any time. However, a student visa may be issued no more than 120 days prior to the start date mentioned on your I-20.
My passport has expired, but the US visa in it is still valid. Do I need to apply for a new visa? No. If your visa is valid and unmarked or undamaged, you can travel with your two passports together, old and new, if the purpose of your travel matches your current non-immigrant visa. Also, the name and other personal data must be the same in both passports, and both passports must be from the same country and of the same type, i.e., both tourist passports and both diplomatic passports.
I have a non-immigrant visa that will expire soon and I would like to renew it. Do I need to go through the whole visa application process again? Yes, unless you are eligible to apply using the interview waiver.
If I am a third country national living in the India, can I apply for a non-immigrant visa in New Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata or Hyderabad? Applicants are generally advised to apply in their country of nationality or residence. Any person who is legally present in India may apply for a visa in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad or Kolkata. However, applicants should decide where to apply based on more than just convenience or delay in getting an appointment in their home district. One thing to consider, for example, is in which consular district the applicant can demonstrate the strongest ties. There is no guarantee that a visa will be issued, nor is there a guarantee of processing time. If refused, there is no refund of the application fee. There is no,
My passport is damaged or expiring soon, but I want to apply for a US visa. What should I do? Please obtain a new passport before your interview if your passport is going to expire in less than 6 months after the time you enter the United States. The film on the biographic data pages of your passport, i.e., page with your photo and back page with your parents' information, is peeling, or your passport is otherwise torn, damaged, mutilated, or has been washed or laundered.
Thanks for watching. Hope this update helpful to you. To encourage and to get more updates for you, please subscribe to channel. Like the video and share with your friends.